That red bird in your yard hides a secret. Number 1. Cardinals mate for life, and many believe a visiting cardinal is a departed loved one. Number 2. Cowbirds dump eggs in cardinal nests, and parents raise the imposter while their own chicks die. Number 3. Males attack their own reflection in windows and mirrors for hours, thinking it's a rival. Number 4. Their red comes entirely from their food, so a poor diet turns them dull brown. Number 5. The cardinal is the state bird of 7 U.S. states, more than any other bird. Follow for a new animal every single day.